Actually, I didn't need to prop it up at all because I've got the speaker on the top. That gives it an unfair advantage, doesn't it? So we're going to run this on auto squelch and hope it to, because I did make sure that was at 1 microvolt when I set it up. This is the customer's repair of the Lafayette Venus, and it's one of these all-in-one sets. If you didn't see the repair, the power lead, which it was issued with this set, was reverse polarity. So I changed the polarity, then we found that the transmit switch was intermittent, and I've just cleaned that with service salt, and then I've done a service, brought the setup from 2.2 watts to 3.6, I think it was. Right, so we have to change channel, so you have to press the center button, then press your way through, then press, I don't know, it just times out, doesn't it? And if we go into manual squelch, press that twice, and then go down. Why can't I hear it? No idea. Let that time out. There we are, that's why. Back into squelch. Hey! No, we'll take it one more. Squelch 11. Tango 21, Mr. Chippy D. Copy. Oh, I think I'm on CPT set of channels. Is that possible? Wraps round. Right, so it wraps round the 2 lots of 40. Tango 21, Mr. Chippy, copy. That's excellent. I was on CPT without realising it. It's one of these sets that wraps round without telling you. See if we can get a bit more volume. Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station, which appears to be finished and open.
Yeah, I noticed some petrol pumps there as I drove back at lunchtime.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, and that got you going through Ancaster Crossroads. So you've got the tiny little speaker working in here. You've got the body of the radio speaker working simultaneously. Now, of course, all this would be improved if you had an extension speaker like we did on the test set.
Right, we're now going up the top of the hill. Let's go down towards Wilson.
Roger, we'll see how this squelch works then, thank you. Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. And this radio is doing about 3.8 watts over.
Yep, well, that sounds about right.
Roger. Now, squelch dropped out at one point there. And we don't normally have that happen. But if you saw, because these squelch settings are in digital numbers, what were we in? We're on squelch setting 11. If I turn it down to squelch setting 10, it was starting to chop in and out. So it's really between the two, and this is always the problem with things like this, unless you've got them continuously variable. So it's just a little bit coarser than I would like.
Wilford level crossing.
Roger, when you've got the frog out of your throat, we're going over Wilford level crossing, Roger. Tango 21, did you call them? Because I saw the display move, but not the squelch over.
Yeah, Roger, I'm passing the Kelvin turn, so no reason for getting it.
Roger, I'll have to back the squelch off then, but it's digital.
Okay.
I saw the signal meter move and nothing came through. So we'll just try and adjust that squelch. See whether we can cope with it at that level. Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn. Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. Thank you. Catch you later, 10:10. It's a bit scratchy, quite a lot of wind. It's no doubt blowing the aerials about. So, or are we getting leaves back on trees and it's affecting the range? So yeah, I mean that works fine, but isn't it a faff? Anyway, it's not my set, but it works a treat. What we'll do is we'll just go through to the base station and just have a listen.
Tango 21, testing the customer's repair Lafayette Venus into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For those interested, it's drawing 1.65 amps on transmit at 13.8 volts. Thank you for watching.